Hello, and welcome to Natural Hazards that occur around the world. We will be looking at hazards that are in the United States, starting with the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and lastly, the atmosphere. Our journey begins in Moore, Oklahoma. This is where tornadoes struck down, causing $1.1 billion worth of damage to the city. These tornadoes occur when low pressure and high pressure meet. The air creates condensation and a huge storm gives way to a cyclone when a downdraft occurs, making the column of air to form. There is no way to stop tornadoes from occurring. However, giving an advance warning could ensure survival. Our next stop is La Chete, California. In La Chete, high precipitation has been occurring on the hillside, thus causes seismic activity, creating landslides. Landslides are very dangerous and have the potential to kill people. In 1995, the first mudslide occurred, and once again in 2003, but this time killing 10 people. The best way to prevent landslides is to create drainage or redirect the water to find a solid bedrock to drain water. Our last hazard is in the hydrosphere. This hazard is runoff. This bay is having a problem with runoff from farms. Runoff has been created by phosphorus nutrients and minerals that are dumped into the rivers that create an algae bloom that eat up all these nutrients and overpopulate on top of the rivers and seas. By doing this, the plant life below begins to die. The fish need oxygen to survive. Thus, they are oxygen deprived because of the dead zones that are killing the marine life. It is also very dangerous to humans as well. To stop this occurring, we should filter out the runoff from each river. Farmers could stop using these phosphorus nitrates to plant their crops. But they do not because it is not regulated. And to make sure that it has to be regulated, we need to enforce the regulation laws. Thank you and goodbye.